This is your host and host Swarup. Welcome to the new video. Now the problem I'm discussing here is that Redmi Note 5 Pro availability. Many of you are also trying to get the Redmi Note 5 Pro but unable to get it. I know the same problem occurs to me also. Every time I try to book it, in 1 minute it's like saying, not even 1 minute, in 30 seconds it's showing that out of stock. So the main problem from Xiaomi here is the stock. The stock availability is very less, which we have never expected out of Xiaomi. But every time, even after 1 month or 2 months, the same problem is occurring again and again. So this is a big concern from Xiaomi for the consumers who are eagerly waiting for the Xiaomi products to get their hands on. But whereas we see that the end consumers, the consumers who require the product most, cannot get the facility to get it on flash sales on Flipkart. Even on pre-sale on Xiaomi.com, it's very, very difficult to get their hands on. Even I have experienced the same. Now there are many videos you can search on YouTube that how to get Redmi Note 5 Pro via installing some additional Chrome stuffs, anything like that. But trust me guys, this will not work. Even if it will work, then maybe some of the users may get 1 or 2 Redmi Note 5 Pro or normal phones. As a result, the end consumers doesn't get the opportunity to try the new Redmi Note 5 Pro phone. Now here, I think the problem is of stocks most probably, and recently I have just heard that Redmi Note 5 Pro prices have increased. The 14,000 version is now selling at rupees 15,000, so 1,000 rupees increase. But the 6GB version I think is also increased by 16,999. I don't know. And Xiaomi TVs are also prices are also increasing. So the problem here is not the price actually, but the black marketing of that same product. If you see eBay.in or any other offline retail store, if you visit that, if you pay 2,000 extra, you will get the Redmi Note 5 Pro. You will get the variant which you are looking for. Even you will get the same color which you always wanted out of that. Now, why to pay 2,000 rupees more when you can definitely get a good phone in a website? But due to the availability and the flash sales, which I definitely hate, we can't do anything about it. So end consumers ends up buying a Huawei or maybe some other brand phone. So I think Xiaomi should improve their sales tactics by stopping this flash sales, because at the end consumers are very much hate this type of marketing. So Xiaomi, if you are listening, stop doing this flash sales and give the consumers to buy it on open sales, just like you did for the Redmi Note 5. I'm not complaining, but this is a fact. So this is a small video for the Redmi Note 5 Pro availability, which I think many of us are experiencing currently. And this is my first video after a long time, so don't mind. And if you're new to the channel, just subscribe and hit the like button. If you dislike the video also, you can use the dislike option. But if you really like the video, please click on the bell icon to get notified for the new videos which I usually upload from my end. This is Viper Swarup signing out. Bye for now.